Okay, yeah. Alright, yeah, that's supposed to be it. Don't fucking die. You have gun? Don't have any gun. All I can do is probably take him attention. Take him attention after you, and you can kill him.
I'm dead.
Drop a gun, drop a gun, drop a gun, drop a gun. Drop a gun, drop a gun.
They got this.
Take too long for dropping. It was on 6 though. Nigga. Alright, anyways. That hotel way. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. My fault. You know the worst thing about it, you know I lose nothing, I lose everything in my day attack. Hey bro. Let me go on away, bro.
The thing is, I came off and then like, as I came on, invite me same time, which is funny.
You will get one, bro. I need to touch like on the internet that we can stop here, play the game for a while. I'm not for this man in my account to run though. For this man in my account to run.
Bro, imagine playing Fortnite with just your mouth.
That was the hacking. Complete hacking. Big up to the man that can at least talk fast enough up to be the case. If that was to be the case. Albert Texas said no. Texas said no. But honestly, the other night, whenever I hear anything, but at the same time, I wonder where the heck were you? But then, I see from zero build and I talk, I say, yo, change it, but whenever they realize you're not here. He's around Baka. Which way Alan?
Might be dead.
Oh my god, bro. What am I doing? Like, come on, kid.
They got this.
Oh my god, I don't. My aim is so ass right now.
You reload?
I hate this gun, bro.
That's white.
Well, I got my kill. The gun is ass, trust me. You died?
Nigga on the shit. You died.
Yeah. I didn't.
I told you that, man.
Well, calm down, bro.
bro?
Nope, I don't.
Bro, you're a
I
controller, bro. Come on, dog.
I don't
Come
have aim
on,
assist
bro.
though.
Bro, you have aim assist, bro. Come on, bro.
Alright.
What is that?
No, man, not have aim assist. Like, we can literally show you that I don't have aim assist. My aim
It,
assist is up and everything. Like, you're in a chat, like you're in a stream.
from me see it a while ago, bro. Like, give me every shot while you have
Like,
controller. It
bro,
doesn't make sense.
you need to turn about the more than edit sensitivity. But like, look, see here, aim assist, aim assist, aim assist, aim assist strength 100, bro, and it doesn't work.
Put it at 99, bro. Come
I
on,
was
bro. Get some.
I was said that is easy. I said that is easy.
Brother,
Like,
put
hold
your
on,
aim
let
assist
me.
at 99, bro. Come on, you're a controller player.
I,
Don't know this.
bro, like, really, 12 minutes, really.
Trust, bro.
PA
99 or
assist, man.
98 is peak, bro.
So why nobody never tell me this? Or why nobody never feel like something like that? Like, who name M? Who call me Daddy Aziz a while ago? That's so weird in so many ways. You don't know me. No, but the person only name M. Me don't know who name M. Like, so M. When I say nothing else, M. Just M. I don't even get more people in here. Neither. Are you reading a text? What M? What M?
Is it?
Oh, Kwan. Oh, okay. Bro, I'm changing name. But the thing I hear texting like, needs about Daddy Azizi.
This one,
Hey,
man.
bro, that is so wrong. That is wrong in so many ways.
One thing of me, I text daddy. It's crazy. Texting daddy to our next one is kind of weird.
Yeah, my bro though. Oh, we go. Stop my pick, please. Stop my pick.
Oh my god, bro. That's just okay.
Wow. Calm down, Jamal. Calm down, Jamal. Taking things too personal. If I had one wish. Two kids. One hella lower than me, and the other one land there. Record when I got knees on my dead. I swear to you. In every way. In every fucking way, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm one. I'm one, literally. I'm found because. Them a push.
It's chill, bro.
You knock one?
It's chill. Yeah.
Who share that one? I can rush him. Find out who did that beam now. About.
Right.
23 blood white. He's whited. Take it.
Dead.
One of the best aim in the world.
Cool.
Oh, Mattia request for giant. And him only I can sit out. Why you ask why you may sing to? What?
Bro, take me a VAR right. You see my right thumb.
Alright, this is my right thumb. Where you play controller?
Keyboard. Should me feel like I have VAR right. You see my right thumb, bro. Only if I wait to mess it up, but it can't be that.
Wait, what you think?
Like keyboard dash.
What you think,
But it's
Calvin?
so weird. It's my mouse and it'll be more likely my keyboard and so that I'm like I don't know that.
Maybe just want to work out. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Hold on, hold on.
One more clan.
Kids down there, Sato? Buy big
Yeah.
pot, buy big pot for now. Where you gone?
I'm gonna fuck. Yeah, alone, alone.
Yeah, man, come to you.
I can't.
Like for real, bro? Like for real, you're gonna be that way?
He's holding you?
No. Don't go down here already. Go and waste a bullet. Them a forward down here, them a forward.
Yeah. Fuck that. 20.
Not a mats.
I'm not. Kill him! Kill him!
Yeah, kill him, but I can't kill him. I don't have the mats.
No, no, what either.
Why me I hear this good sound like... Oh,
No, this shit
losing
is
so
too
much.
funny, bro.
It's
It's too
too
funny,
much
bro.
fun, bro. Like, I feel like my response time is so slow right now. No drop my face.
I love.
Mm-hmm.
We're in a matrix, bro.
Fine,
We're in a matrix, brother.
fine. Girl, if you want me, here I am. Then you can have me. Sharing is caring. You got to share me. Continental galactic set. Please don't reach out now.
Bro. We'll just quit moving on. That that worse.
Should. Should. Oh, why is there so much people landing out here? There's a llama there too. See, chest,
There's
why
actually a
you
lot
run
of
with
people
chest?
here, bro.
Why you run with chest?
You gonna get it?
Yeah, I get it, but why you run with it?
Come here, come here.
Why, man? Let them in there. Somebody opened me alarm, I think. Me or a kid. Yeah, on him.
Move from there.
Father, outside, inside.
What's that?
Nobody not touch the armor yet. Come fuck. Bro just fucking hot to have a shotgun. You just have to have a shotgun, don't it? And shield on top of that. Yo, bro. There's a llama to your left. Yeah, man.
They're not even on side.
No.
Get the first try.
I just had to have a fucking shotgun. But I think both of them can't bother with. What are them chasing so fast? They are mats.
Yo, no fucking block me! He dead,
Yeah,
he
man.
dead. Oh my fucking god.
This don't look good at all, bro.
But I put this one critic first, bro.
Got happy right now. You have the rapid. You have the rapid something.
And 1v1?
Yeah, put it on something.
1v1?
Yeah.
Need to get back used to this shit, bro. Bro, how much delay you have?
Delay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Better, bro.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Better,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. But you have a 25-second delay, bro. What the fuck? If you're streaming about 25-second delay. That's just outrageous, bro. We're just in the rank.
Oh my god, why am I missing some shots? Ping.
That's not good. That's timing.
Frick, messed up. This man, bro. All of the right peaks and the right angles, why me can't take no? Okay.
Come on, bro.
Okay. Bro, why my controller just feel lame? Hold on. I find it quite slow, but Why that not?
You're different.
No fucking way, me just. Bro, when the settings too slow, you have more control, but then when it's too slow for aim, you just ass. I can just feel ass. Oh my god, how did that even get there? Come on, edit. Oh my god, yo. One guy night, you know? Hold on. I feel like we need to turn up my bill. Let me think I hurt if you play like this. Yeah, that feels so much better. What the fuck? Bro, I so hate you keyboard and mouse player. Come on.
Bro, trying to piece me?
He tried.
Ooh, that's bad.
Fuck, why you made the wrong thing?
Ooh, this is bad. Never mind. Oh, no, he doesn't get up. What about a saber?
Dead man keyboard.
Oh yeah, SSG.
Like I tried right there. No, 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 no. Come on, bro. I was. Bro, what the fuck's up with your ping? Like, somebody. Bro, magkata kaya wala ba, sir? This keyboard and mouse is just better. Wala na reach me, no? That wall, bro.
Wow.
Yan ang wall eh. Come on, yeah. There's no fucking way you hit that, bro.
What do you mean?
So what? Keyboard and mouse play the same one. They're very disgusting.
Control players, man.
No, you can't say that. You're very slow.
The most feared person is a control player.
Sway is not. Oh, read.
You're gonna say sway, what? Sway? I think it's not feared.
Oh my god, I got to say read. Reed is not a big man.
What the fuck is your luck?
Bro, I'm gonna try to swing the ramp while I go. Me and I swing.
And that net up, man. See, I don't know. You're stuck, man.
I was stuck. Blank. 185.
Like, me to the country up there, man. That's
Bro,
bro.
I don't know
Another
where I'm
one
going
shoot on
wrong.
a pump one time, then one SMG.
Yeah, I mean, I have a better, especially. Voila. No one, not 200. Voila.
Later, just put the fight down and continue.
Bro, I just whatever they put him on. Turn up my settings, bro. Yeah. Never saw no put him
Literally put the one like literally half they kill me.
on. Yes, sir.
You have to be weird after one pumps no.
I mean, the old 90s. Like, this is the life of a cheater than I swear. Peaks, angles. Woohoo! Come on! I don't know what the fuck to do against you, bro. She ever kill me!
You left?
After she ever kill me, man.
Why you left?
She ever kill me. Me just get one from 3 times in a row and you want to sit down there. Not gonna happen.
There's no way that's left.
Mm-hmm. Me just get one from 3 times in a row.
Yeah, so that's only 3 times. That's luck.
Hurry up, I'm rage and real so you can start teaching keyboard and mouse. I'm gonna make the switch.
I don't know if I want to play anymore now, bro. I just left mid fight.
Seriously?
But who leads mid fight?
Bro, I got one from 3 times. 3 fucking times. On stream. Where's I've streamed to prove it.
No one's in the stream.
But rest everybody gone. Nobody knows the great
Exactly,
person.
everybody gone.
No matter. The stream will still be there.
Stream now still today. You don't see VODs. Someone's being a bitch. 9:15, 10:15.
Because it's a boss. It's a lot. Gotta get you up, bitch.